Hello, welcome back to our channel, Jessie and I'll Travel. Today we're heading down to Dorset, to a place called Moreton. It's Moreton Camping and Caravan site. It's going to take us a few hours, so if we see anything on the way we'll pick up the camera, if not, we'll speak to you when we get there. This is the entrance to Moreton Camping and Caravan Club site in Dorset. Quite a wide entrance, plenty of roads pulling. There's reception. We're just going to have a walk around Moreton site. Quite a few more on today. Thought there'd been more on because it's a Dorset show. But yeah, not a lot down the tent. There's one of the toilet blocks, and the other one is over that direction. Good pictures. Children play area. You've got children. The dog walk is in the corner in amongst that wooded area. That's right, yeah, it's through that. You walk through there. Not people up at the moment because it's pretty early. It's beautiful sky, sunrise, compared to the last couple of days where we've had heavy rain, wind, but yeah, this morning is a really nice day by the look of it. Hopefully it can sit out like this for the rest of the day. The train station is just outside the gates more or less. We're going to have a ride into Weymouth. Takes about 15, maybe 20 minutes depending. So we'll see when we get there. Hello, welcome to our channel. At Weymouth today for a day out. Dorchester yesterday on the train, and it's Weymouth today. As you can see behind me, hopefully, it's a beautiful day, and I hope we find nice customers. We're going to wander around. We might pick some more video up on his way. But unfortunately we can't take Jessie on there because it's dog free, I believe. And it's a beautiful day after all that bad weather we've had for the last 3 days. Jessie with a scarf on our subscriber centre, looking cool. Well, I think it's time for a coffee. This looks just the right place, and like coffee and cake with a view. If you'd like to see more of our videos, why not give us a like, subscribe, hit the notification button, and even leave us a comment. It's all free. We're over in that area, up there. If we ever get there. There's the other toilet block. Yeah, quite a nice laid out site. Those all like parking on grass, there's plenty around the outside. down near the woods and in the middle of the campsite as well. And now it's time to pack up and get ready to leave tomorrow.
Yep. Goodbye.
Take the next left.
Oh, that's Ethel Mary on the road again.
Old Ethel.
Ethel. And now we're leaving Moreton Caravan and Camping Club site. They have a pizza on a Monday night van, and they have a chip van on a Wednesday and a Friday. Very good chips.
Take the next left.
Here we go, a nice picture of the Crampton Arms next to the railway line,
Prepare to turn right
Nice
after
food.
half a mile.
and then the railway station. So you can see it's not far. And now we're on the road again to our next destination.